I'll crochet the royal snowflake using thin white yarn in 50 grams, 475 meters, and a small crochet hook, 0.8 millimeters. Round 1 starts with a magic ring. We make a loop and slightly tighten it. Now I need to crochet 6 single crochets into the ring. Now I can gently tighten the ring. I join with the first stitch and finish round 1. In round 2, I need to crochet 2 single crochets into each stitch of the previous round. That's how it looks on the chart. So we start with a chain for lifting, and in the same stitch a single crochet. Then into each stitch 2 single crochets. We should get 12 in total. I made the 12th stitch and join to finish round 2. Round 3 also consists of single crochets, but we should have 18 stitches now. So 1 single crochet into the first stitch, 2 into the next. 1, 2, 1, 2, and so on. Remember to count your stitches. There should be 18. I've completed the round and joined it. Now, round 4 should increase to 24 stitches. That's why into the first stitch 2 SC, then the next 2 stitches 1 each. Again 2, 1, 1, and so on. Chain 1 and start with 2 single crochets in the first stitch, then 1 SC into the next, and again 1 into the following. Continue the round 24 stitches total. Join with the first stitch and done. Here we have this small circle, our center. Next, we make a mesh. This is round 5. Here we work double, treble crochets with chain arches of 4 chains in between. There should be 12 stitches. We skip 1 stitch and work into the second. To begin, we chain 4. This counts as the first double treble crochet, and then another 4 for the arch. Yarn over twice, skip 1 stitch, insert into the second, make a double treble, then again 4 chains, yarn over twice, into the second stitch, and so on. At the end of the round I have 12 stitches and the last arch. Join into the 4th, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, slip stitch. This round is done. Round 6 is also simple, just single crochets, each stitch single crochet, and each arch 5 single crochets, start with a chain 1 and make 1 SC into the same place. Then 5 SC into the arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Repeat for all arches. Finish round 6. Round 7 is again with double treble crochets and arches, this time with 2 chains between them. We work them skipping 1 stitch into the second. So 4 chains up, plus 2 for the arch, total 6 chains. Yarn over twice, skip 1, go into the second DTR. Chain 2, repeat. At the end of the round, chain 4 and join to the 4th chain from the beginning . Now we're done with the easy part time for the fun. Here's the chart and our first step. We start with a picot, then crochet 3 mesh sections and go up the spike. Start with the front post single crochet and a picot on top. Chain 1, front post, single crochet around previous row's post. Then picot. 2 loops done. Now go into the arch and make 2 single crochets. Next ASC into the stitch, then again 2 SC into the arch, and again a stitch, so that makes 3 arches total shown on the chart. Now we make another front post, single crochet, grab the post and crochet around it. Now we need to form a spike. Chain 12. One, 2, 3, 7, insert hook into 7th stitch, make 6 slip stitches down the chain. We've reached the post, grab 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, all done. That's the spike we just made. Now we work 2 more arches into the first arch. Two single crochets into the next. Now we go up again. Make a chain of 6, 3 yarn overs. And turn to the wrong side. Insert into the base of the spike. Work a triple treble crochet. Looks like this. Then we chain 2 and into the ring. 1 double crochet, chain 2, another double crochet, again chain 2, and the third double crochet. This is how it looks. Next step, we mirror the previous part. Make a triple treble crochet of 6 chains and attach it with a slip stitch, skipping 2 spaces right above the post. Chain 3, slip stitch, finished. Now we turn to the right side and we're going to edge this arch with single crochets. There should be 8 SC total, with a picot in the center. Don't forget a front post single crochet at the end. So 4 SC picot, 3 chains, slip stitch, then 4 more SC, then a front post SC, now we'll crochet a leafy spike, a picot made of 3 leaves, follow the chart, chain 5, go into the second stitch SC, chain 5 again, grab 2 threads of the previous SC, and here, here, previous column without cape. For 2 loops, pick up and all together stretch. Here we already have 2 bake, and third also 3 air loops. In previous column, without cape, all 3 tie together. Such 3 petals turned out. Now we need tie connecting loops. Petal recovery. Then in the first column, and recovery relief column. So this is how it should turn out. Here we have 3 connecting loops. Next, we need to get to the top. We tie 2 arches, and over the column we make a bake. Go under the first arch and knit 4 columns without a cape. Further column over column. Here, knit bake. Three. All together. Another one. Arch here, knit 3 columns without cape. Once, 2, and 3. And here we came to the central part. Here we tie a relief pole without a cape. And now we have the hardest ray, which we will also contact you in steps. Scheme is very similar to this one, only this one is shorter. This one is more genuine. First, knit 5 air loops, and in the second loop tie a pole without a cape. Further, 5 air loops, and also times 2 column without cape. Now we will unfold 5 more air loops. And that's for these 2 loops and cling. Now we tie everything together. Next picot of 3 consists here is our 3 leaf turned out, and now we need connecting loops. Go in 1 loop, and in the second, and now we came to the pillar of this first bake. Here we also tie a connecting loop. Here we are, opposite this bake, and knit the last 5th bake, and in the same column all 3 tied together. Now we need go in connecting 2 loops, this way, and we reached the relief column, and also here attach. Here is such a ray, should get it. Difficult but beautiful. And then we knit in mirror reflection 3 under the first arch, 4 under the second arch, between them. came up to this big column, and here we have a relief column. And now we need to tie this kind of beam. Here is one. Here is this ray. Let's you and I link it again. First thing, 5 air loops. Five more. Three more. Now connecting loops. One, two, and above the column, all 3 together. And left us the last step. We have left to tie the last arch, 4 and 4. Between them, bake, go into the gift. Four. Three. All together. Once again, 4. All we finished with you. That's a difficult one, but interesting on construction, which looks so open work and so gorgeous. We tried, we managed, and we got it. Now we need to finish the report and go to the new report. It starts with picot and continue to repeat everything. Under the arch, 2 columns without a cape. And then we began our port. Here we tie under this column, embossed column without cape, and over him bake, and further everything is repeated. We knit again, arch, second, third, and beam, then arch the second, and start creating magic. If you haven't memorized, you can pause, use the scheme, or go back a few minutes and once again tie together with me such rays. And I'll meet you at the end with a final snowflake. The snowflake is ready. Now it needs to be stiffened. I use PVA glue mixed with water ratio 7:1 1 Pascal RT, water to 6-7 parts glue. Then I pin it with needles and let it dry. The result, a beautiful structured snowflake. You can also crochet this variation based on the same design. If you liked this masterclass, like, comment, and subscribe. New ideas and patterns coming soon. See you in the next video.